Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want.
Hello occasions, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing something a little bit different. I wanted to welcome you into my home. So let's do a little tour. So before we get started, this is a very in progress home tour, okay? So let's start the artwork. Everyone has asked me about this. This lady from France actually did this digital artwork and I was like, I immediately have to put this in my home. We have a little Louis Vuitton book here and a nice bench. I wanted to start playing around with colors and shapes a little bit more because that's going to be in per interior designers for 2024. And you will see why that's the color addition that we're going to add, because you'll see. This is probably my favorite or second favorite place in my home, the living room. As you can see, it's very monochromatic. My word of the year for 2023 was refreshed. So I wanted my spaces, my scents, everything to just feel like you're waking up in heaven. I'm pretty sure that's what this feels like. Couches, I wanted something with a curve and the curtains to kind of soften the hard lines that are in here. If you live in a high rise, you need either a curved couch or some curtains or something just to kind of soften the space up a little bit. On my, well, this is an Ottoman or it can be used as a coffee table. I use it for both, it just depends. So we have a camera for obvious reasons and one of my favorite books from one of my favorite makeup artists, rest in peace, Kevin Kwan. And thank you to Ernesto for giving me this book. He's also one of my favorite makeup artists and I've had the pleasure of working with him several times. And while we're talking about legends, here's one of my other favorite books from a star, Kobe Bryant. My big brother bought me this for Christmas. Shout out to him. And of course, I have a nice photo memory. Okay, yeah. Kobe, where do you want to go? Yes, I have a nice photo book. So all of my memories, photos with my friends from events, all of that you can find here. And one of my favorite things in here is my little brother made me a heart with a pipe cleaner. I love it. This is the dining area. This is so important to me because in my last space, I did not have an opportunity to have a full dining table or a dining table at all. And I am going to be the host of the most. I am. So this was very, very essential for my new space. And I don't know, it's just like my dream dining space. My chairs are vintage and I want to cry every time I see them because like it's just so neat. Reminder in progress is I'm gonna do a custom island here. I'm the host. The host has to cook. The host needs a space to prepare her food. So yeah, kitchen island is gonna go here. Maybe we'll do bar stools on the other side. We'll see. Also, I know this is so basic. Actually, no, it's not even basic. I had a Sub-Zero fridge in my last apartment and I did not have a full-size fridge. So I couldn't freeze, you know, my goods, all that. So I'm really excited to now have a full fridge, have a lot of food in there. And yeah, shout out to Primo for my water machine. In the sip, we have water in the fridge, but obviously since it's not here, Primo hooked your girl up, so shout out to Primo. So in here is my bedroom, and as you can tell, I love creams, so I decided to just throw the black pillows on the bed. And yeah, it's very in progress. So there is a bathroom in the primary bedroom. I will take you through that later because it's still in progress. There is a guest bathroom here. It's still in progress also. I can show you a few little things that I'm working on. We'll get back to it. But now we're gonna go to my second favorite thing, the glam room. And if the rest of it is just like mediocre.
Reeled in.
Yeah, like.
Oh, right.
Like if the thumbnail is like real. So this is my closet, or what I like to say, my extended closet, because I still have 4 other closets other than this. So yes, this is a system. If you've ever heard of IKEA Pax, I'm gonna do a separate YouTube video and take you through how to customize this. But yeah, I went in IKEA and literally handpicked everything to be the way that I need it to be. Y'all, I said in progress. The boots, we're working on it. I have a lot of boots. I want them to stand tall. All of my pumps are on the 2nd row. Obviously, these are my clothes. My jewelry is gonna go here. So we have a little pull-out tray. And for t-shirts,
Ooh.
yeah, all of my t-shirts. These are all of my workout sets.
Girl, proud of you.
And here we just have some bras. This is my gown. I don't know why it's in here, but that's where she decided to be.
She.
Rollout. This is a rollout cart of my shoes. Clearly, I need to stop buying gold heels. Some bags. Here we have also pulls out some YSL. I like to either, well, I don't really wear this one, but I like to spray this on or get some little body glow on the way from the door. Baby's first red bottoms. Had to put those there. Some boots. This is like the little designer section. And also, I saw this girl, she had her luggage in her IKEA Pax, and I was like, that's so smart, because when I get ready to travel, that was loud. But yeah, when I get ready to travel, it's empty too. It's empty. Y'all still have a suitcase that you haven't unpacked. I just know it.
I got 3.
Shame on you.
Yeah.
Added light, so these are motion censored, so when it gets dark, I can walk in here and it'll just pop on. So yeah, love that for me. And then my vanity. So this is where the magic is made. You guys probably have seen this chair way too many times. Gotta have back support, and it has a place for my feet to go. I'm getting old and I have back problems, so this is essential. TV is for the monitor for when I'm filming videos like these. Well, not like this, but makeup videos. The last thing, I used to be ashamed, but I think it's time for me to just embrace it. I have a hair closet, and I'm going to show you. Still in progress, but yes, we have blonde, brown, ginger, texture, clip-ins, wigs, and I even have garment bags. Gotta protect the hair. My hair is my crown. So the video is getting ready to upload, and I thought, why not add this in here? I already got a kitchen island. This will be painted white. And yeah, I think that it just goes to show you that when I said in progress, I meant it, okay? The painter will actually be here today to get her all the way together. So yeah, stay tuned to see how I continue updating my space. Until next time, vacations.